Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will try to create a cup or a mug. So to start, let's go to Shift A, Mesh, and then we can add a circle. Let's go into, okay, I'll enable the keys so that you can follow. Alright, now let's go to edit mode, and I'll make the points. Alright, then extrude along the Z like this. I'll go to viewport, I'll change this one. Alright, now we have most of the body of the cup. So what we can do next is press Alt and then left click. Sorry, Alt left click. Okay. I think I have to change something on the edit preferences. Go to inputs. Yeah, make sure this is unchecked. Okay, now it should work. Okay, now Alt and left click. Yeah, so select the bottom parts like this one. So then extrude, then scaling to create the bottom part, and left click and then extrude, scaling again, extrude, scaling third time. Yeah, you can keep on going like this, and finally press F for faces, and we can close this part. Alright, go back to object mode. Now let's go to the modifier. Let's add, go to generate, and let's add solidify to give it some thickness. So I'll use, in my case, 0.5. I think this will be a good starting point. Okay. All right. Okay, what else can we do? We can subdivide the surface. Add a subdivision surface. I'll make this 3. So we can apply this the first part, the solidify part, Control A. Okay, let's go to this one. All right, here you can see our mesh. It's a clean mesh. All right, so we can make this smooth surface, shade smooth. All right, it's looking good. What else can we do? We can auto smooth also here. That helps also. All right, let's go back to edit mode, and now we need to make the handle of the cup. So to do that, Control R to add a subdivision surface right around here. Again, Control R, and let's add another section around here. Okay, so let's go to the face editing part. Now click the middle 2 parts. Now we can extrude this along the Y. Okay, now this is the handle of the cup. Okay, maybe I can make this a little bit bigger. No. Okay. Let me undo this. Let me try again. extrude. Okay, I think this is good. Now select this face and press shift and select the other side also. Now with what we can do is press extrude and then scaling simultaneously, and let's resize this thing somewhere around here. Okay, now right click and bridge faces. Now you have the handle section. We can further edit this by scaling it a little bit. Maybe you can move it to the right also. Okay, I think it's look good. Let's go back to object mode. So this is a basic cup shaped. I guess this is alright for now. What else can we do? You can add materials if you want. So I'll add some colors. Okay, let's go to material. Okay, let's also change the roughness. Okay, now it looks more like a realistic cup, so this looks good. Okay, so this is basically one way, short way of doing a cup or a mug in Blender. If you like the video, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and next time I'll see you with another Blender tutorial. Thank you for watching. Take care.